Good morning, all, to those who are watching this video. Welcome to Let's Learn with George again. After a long break, there were some consequences for this reason, but I will not disclose them. So let's start with pattern programming, but there is a twist. We are not doing the tutorial third or fourth, I guess. We are starting new, okay, fresh course. And this is for all those who are new to Python or new to any programming language. Python is the first programming language. So let's get started. Yeah. So first I have to do my screen share. I always forget to do it. Yeah, so I guess my screen is visible, or I should make another video again. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, so Python programming. So what is Python? What is programming? What is language? Let's first understand. So language is a system or the principle to express our feelings and understand others' feelings. Like I am a human being, you are a human being, I am talking or communicating with you through a language which is called English. This could be any other language like Hindi, Spanish, German, Portuguese, and many other language. Hundreds of languages are there. Okay, so the system through which we express our feelings and understand others' feelings, this principle or system is called language, right? So what is programming then? Programming can be termed as the process of writing code in a specific manner through which it gives instructions to the computer for performing various tasks. Okay, so what is programming? Programming can be termed as it is a process of writing code. What we write a code in a specific manner through which it gives instructions. It gives instructions to the computer for performing various tasks. I hope I am clear to you all. Right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can ask freely in the comments. No problem with that. Let's continue. So last, Python. Python is the programming language through which computers understands what? The programming language. Okay. So by combining language programming and Python, we get Python programming language. I hope I'm clear. Okay. So let's see a little bit history. Python programming language was developed by Guido and Rosum in 1989, but somewhere you have read that it was developed by Guido and Rosum in 1991. It was developed by Guido and Rosum in 1989, but the first version was officially released in 1991. Okay. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. Okay, it is used in various fields such as AI, gaming, data visualization, and machine learning, etc. There are many applications of AI and features which we will learn in our next couple of slides. Okay, so why only Python? Why only Python? Why not C++ or Java or anything? Okay, so let's see. I will not answer this question, but I will tell you some applications and features of Python through which you will script your answer. So the first is features of Python. So what are the features of Python? It is easy to code, it is easy to read, free and open source, compressed language, and beginner friendly. Okay, so think about a language which is easy to learn. Yeah, it is easy to read, it is easy to write, it is free, and it is open source. It is a compressed language, means you can write your big program that you like in C++, you write in C, you can write in shorter lines compared to C and C++. In Python, it is a compressed language. It is also a beginner friendly. So these are the features of Python which make it a demanding language to learn in the present world and in the near future also. Okay. What are the applications of Python? It is used in various fields like network programming, data analysis, robotics, website and application development, desktop application, game development, data visualization, machine learning, 3D application development, audio and video software development, and operating system, and many, many. There are at least 30 to 50 applications of Python. Okay. So you also know I cannot fit in a slide. Okay. So this video was all about this. So there's a job for you. There's a homework for you, that please write these slides in your notebook. Okay. These slides will be very beneficial in the near future. Okay. Because I will do some exercises also, some quizzes also. Then you need to revise and give answers to my questions. Yeah. And the homework is that you have to write in the comments that which companies uses Python. Okay. You should write 3 to 5 companies in the comments below. You are freely to write. Okay. Any doubts, you're free to ask. And this is the end of the video. I hope you like and understand every bit of my lines I spoke today. And I hope it will be beneficial for you for understanding. So let me go back to my meeting, stop share, and let me close this video, stop recording. So good evening, thank you and all for watching my video. This is Satyajit Singh from Let's Learn with Josh signing off. Thank you.